If you want to activate the Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. You can, for example, press and hold the home button on your watch. So if you press and hold it, then after a second or two, you should be able to activate Gemini. You can just say things out loud and your speech should be converted into the prompt, and you should be able to simply ask Gemini whatever you want to ask them about, and you can get the answer. Besides that, you should also be able to go to the apps list by swiping up on the watch face, and then in here you might be able to find the Gemini app. In my case, it is over here. So there we go. You can also just open the Gemini app if you, for example, don't want to use the button, or if you have deactivated the button shortcut. And the third option that allows you, or third method that allows you to activate Gemini, is by using the voice activation, or the Hey Google voice command. But first, of course, we need to set it up. So if you open the list of apps again, we can go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and search for Google. Then over here, go to digital assistant, and you should be able to find the Hey Google option. You will have to continue on your phone. You will begin the setup, which is very straightforward. You just have to tap on I agree, then scroll down here and tap on I agree once again, and then you will have to say a couple of sentences out loud to set it up. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.